Hi everyone, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the third tutorial in the full stack development. Okay, today in this tutorial we are discussing about the HTML links and its global attributes and the images and its global attributes. Today in this tutorial we are discussing about the HTML links and images, how to display images in the web page and how to create the links in a web page. Okay, in the web page we are create the links using anchor tag. In the web page, we are create the links. We are using the anchor tag. A means anchor tag. A means anchor tag. Okay. A is a inline element. A is a inline element. Okay. So in the inline element, we are given a reference path. H reference attribute. A reference path. When you click on the anchor tag, it will redirect to the particular web page. When you click on the anchor tag, it will redirect to the particular web page or particular document, particular file. Okay, once I will write the code and explain it up clearly. Okay, this is the basic HTML structure, and here I am write the in H2 tag HTML links and its global attributes HTML images and its attributes. Okay, here syntax of a tag, syntax of links, syntax. Okay, syntax of anchor tag. A H reference URL. Okay, click here. This is the syntax. Okay, this is the syntax of anchor tag. Anchor tag can be used to create the links in a web page. Anchor tag can be used to create the links in a web page. Okay, here I will create a one link. Okay, suppose here I am create a link. It will redirect to the another web page. Okay, here I am writing anchor tag. Anchor tag. Anchor tag is the inline element. A H reference is the one of the attribute of anchor tag. H reference is one of the attribute of anchor tag. H reference in the H reference we are provide the path of a particular web page. Okay, here we are click on a web page. It will redirect to the YouTube. It will redirect to the YouTube. Here I am provide the YouTube path. Okay, YouTube URL. Okay, here I am write the YouTube. Okay, once I will compile this file. Okay, HTML links and its global attributes, HTML images and its attributes. Okay, here it will create a link. Okay, if you click on this link, if you hover on this link, mouse will be turned into the arrow symbol. Sorry, mouse will turn into the little hand symbol. When you hover on a mouse, this particular link, mouse arrow will be turned into the little hand symbol. When you click on this link, it will redirect to the particular web page. When you click on this link, it will redirect to the particular web page. Okay, so this is the process to create the link. Okay, and next one. And what are the attributes of anchor tag? H reference is the one of the attribute. H reference is one of the attribute of anchor tag. It will be used to provide the path of particular web page. Okay, and next attribute is the target attribute. Target attribute. Target have four different values. Target have four different values. First one, blank. What is the use of blank? Blank can be used on anchor tag. It will be open in another window. It will be open in another window. If you click on this link, it will be open in the another window. If we are using the target blank, if we are use the target blank, it will be open in another window. Okay, this time it will be open in another window. If we are using the target self, if we are using target self, it will be open in the same self tab, same tab. It will be open in a self. It will be open in a same tab lono open అవుతుంది. Okay, and next one, parent. Next one is the parent. Open its a parent frame. Open its a parent frame. It is this page is also a parent of that particular link. Okay, and next one, top. Open its a full window. Open its a full window. Okay, open its a full window. Here I use the target blank value. Okay, and next one, title. Title. What is the title of this particular anchor tag? YouTube. Okay, when you hover on this particular link, the title will be displayed. Okay, this box is the title. When you hover on the link, the box will be displayed. Okay, that one is the title. Okay, and next one, if you provide a particular video path, a particular file path, you can download is the another attribute of um, href. Href is one of the attribute. Href is one of the attribute, and target is another attribute. Target, and next one, title. Title is another attribute of anchor tag, and next one, download. Download is another attribute of anchor tag. Okay. Next, I am using the download. Okay. And here I am opening YouTube. If you click on a particular link, okay, click on embed, take a path of this particular video, take a path of this particular video. Okay, take a path of this particular video. Here I am provide the particular video link. Okay, and next here I am write the download. When you click on this particular video, when you click on this particular video link, it will be this video will be downloaded automatically. Okay. Okay. So this video has no downloading option. So that's why we are get the error. Okay. Actually, we are provide the file. Here I am provide the file path. Okay. Another file. Okay. 3.jpg. ఈ ఇమేజ్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేయమన్నాం పర్టికులర్ ఇమేజ్ మనం డౌన్లోడ్ చేయడం ట్రై చేద్దాం ఓకే when you click on this particular link the image will be downloaded this image will be downloaded okay this image will be downloaded automatically okay and remaining attributes are like class id style these are a global attributes of anchor tag style okay download class id style okay these are a global attributes of anchor tag. Okay, and next one, images. Next one, images. Image also a inline element. Image also a inline element. Image. For the images creation, image syntax. Okay, image syntax. Image SRC. In the image SRC, in the SRC, provide a path of particular image. Okay, and the global attributes are, and the attributes are SRC is one of the attribute, SRC, and next one title is also attribute, SRC, ALT. ALT means alternative text, width, height, height, style, class, ID. Okay, these are the attributes of the anchor tag. SRC, alternative text, title, width, height, style, class, ID. These are the attributes of image tag. Okay, one by one I will use. Okay, for the display of images in the web page, we are using the image tag. First, image SRC. Okay, here I provide the image path. Okay, in the one 112 folder, images 1.jpg. Okay, once we will compile this file. Okay, this is the image of image. This is the image. Okay, and next I will write the another attributes. Okay, ALT, student image. This alternative text will be not displayed on the web page. Okay, what is the this alternative text will be not display on the web page. What is the use of this alternative text? When the user provide the wrong path, when the user provide the wrong path, the alternative text will be displayed on the web page. Here I am provide the wrong path of image. So this particular time, by this particular time, alternative text will be displayed on the web page. Okay, student image. This is the alternative text. Okay, when you provide the correct path, the alternative text will be not displayed on the web page. Okay, next I am write the remaining attributes like first one width 500 pixel. Okay, this is the width of the image. Okay, and next I will write the height height 300 pixel. Okay, height 300 pixel. And next one class student ID student title student image. When you apply multiple styles, we are using the style type, style. When you hover on the image, the title will be displayed on the image. Student image. Okay, when you hover on the image, the title will be displayed. Student image. Okay, so these are the global attributes of image tag and anchor tags. I hope you all are understand how to create the hyperlinks on the web page and how to display images on the web page. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.